The 36-inch folding trampoline from Stamina Products is a fun, convenient way to build endurance while shaping and toning your calves, thighs, glutes, and hips. The trampoline's heavy-duty rebounding surface is built to last so that you can enjoy a low-impact workout as often as you'd like to. Instead of springs, durable, stable tension bands attach to the rebounding surface. The safety pad around the perimeter keeps you safe during your workout. While you're jumping, the rubber-tipped legs will keep the trampoline steady and also protect the floor. When you're done with your workout, the legs detach and the trampoline folds for easy storage. Have fun, shape up, and build endurance in the comfort of home with the Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline.
Embrace the most fun, effective way to feel weightless and go weightless. Introducing the JumpSport Fitness Trampoline, the next generation of fitness equipment from the leading innovators in the trampoline industry. This revolutionary fitness trampoline provides a comfortable way to feel energized while bringing every muscle in your body to life.
Now see, I'm so happy. There's no noise, and the pressure on my knees is gone.
The trampoline is both quiet and convenient. The engineers at JumpSport designed a product with a smooth bounce to reduce stress on your joints. Every fitness trampoline comes with a basic workout DVD to get you started. The fitness trampoline improves balance, accelerates weight loss, and can detox your entire body. JumpSport Fitness Trampoline, where fitness meets fun.
I'm Michelle Palazan. I'm the head trainer at Bari. There's a lot of things that make Bari different than your typical workout. So we've got these resistance bands that are hanging down from the ceiling. We've got the trampolines, which we're not using like anyone else out there.
It's really well designed, so we love that it has the heavy base and the arched legs. It'll increase your cardio capacity, really deep inner core.
I can run and it doesn't hurt my knees because I have a torn meniscus last year, so I had surgery on my knee.
And we started changing our programming to include the trampolines more and more. Our client retention went up.
There's something about being on the trampoline that's a lot of fun.
I've never found a workout that I really liked coming to multiple times a day, every day of the week.
There's so many different ways for me to create exercises and new sequences, and it's so fun. It's my favorite part of my job.